Hi everyone, my name is Najib BAIG. I'm product manager for MaterialCenter and I work for e-Xstream, part of MSC Hexagon. Yes, absolutely. So there's a lot of challenges when it comes to additive manufacturing. One of the key challenges industry is, of course, trying to solve is to certify and qualify the parts so they could be used in production. And it's the process of getting there which is one of the key challenges when it comes to data. There's a lot of data that's generated throughout the process, starting from the powders to the manufacturing itself of the builds, the machine sensor data, all the test data that you need to run to characterize your parts, and then finally all the post-processing. All that information is very difficult to manage and keep in control by existing methods, like today in Excel sheets, text files, and all that sits on individual laptops. That information is not shared, data is lost, so it's a very fundamental and critical challenge in the industry. So MaterialCenter is the key product as part of our product portfolio that helps you to consolidate and capture all the information, all the detailed information across the process, make it accessible for everyone. So you have full traceability from your parts to your test data, to your powders, to the machines. And you are then able to analyze that data as well, because you want to go to production, you want to go to market. So you are able to optimize the performance because you have all the data nicely structured, nicely organized, nicely accessible. And the next step is you can apply machine learning through our software to optimize your performance. There are, from the product point of view, it manages all kind of material types, including polymers and metals. I would say the key difference in terms of our customers that use it, it's more towards the metals, because it's metals which is used for safety critical parts in aerospace, in defense. They're the ones, our customers like US Army, that is doing a lot of expensive testing. They want to make sure that you're capturing all the data and that the data is not being lost. So from the product point of view, you can manage any type of material, and the key aspect is to manage the data across the process. Yes, it's used by some of our key customers in the industry in aerospace and defense. As I mentioned, one of our lead users is US Army, and we are, of course, pushing that solution more in the industry. Yes, it's becoming increasingly important in the industry to actually look at the data. It's very much like, when you use in your daily work to use SharePoint, or in your personal lives to manage your finances. You want to make sure that you're in control of it, your expenses, your ins and outs. It's the same with materials. They are absolutely critical and fundamental as part of the product development. And even more important for additive manufacturing, because you're generating a lot of valuable and expensive research and development. You're investing millions of dollars in your machines, in your powders, in this technology. You're trying to become competitive. But what's the point if you're not in control of your data? If you're losing the data, you need to, in 10 years' time, need to know this is the powder that I use, this is the machine, this is the operator's name. You need to know everything because it's really a must, and it's becoming strategically important for most of the industries now. It started with aerospace, now it's going more to automotive and general manufacturing.